Biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel te kon ke ler bukon lingwasime ler bukon linga kurum chitu kam jiok ne de kon te ko hokre wich ka so Sudan bana jilin kel lerme kan kono nyamre ler kana me gor jeno mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gor jeno de jenwa kana sin ko kien nyok chuje peru jeno jender subscribe ko blaren kontin ba no nga beken chwa shubkaji gorje en wode jina comment ke dere notification be alere to an ko mishi do rorej be shwamala shuba ka gwat anda na titen gwaye en me bukon lat ke jen gwase me breaking news re we ka of Sudan chet kemen ngai kono na won ko to ngwa reudi en to ka nyin hok e mo kon lat gwase me chalaro ka community ni jane te chinyin ke chi ko to kam dien ban je chulin gwate me chalaro ne charam kel chajanak kane dang baro ti cha moj ka bot no ka roja danan cha lat ram kel chana kane dang baro ti cha moj ka bot ka kwi kor mi chitwok ka kwi hok re wecha ka so Sudan re ne na tin cha moj ka bot ta gwar dang raw re dien ala nyir dang raw ki gwar nyet raw re ne na tin kon jo baro do ne dit ko kiana to ke wuni dugno ne raw ke gwar Eregan tuok are which ka rumbek which hawk la which jani en kormo tuok kam dur dangro chala do which jani re community mi chala gony kana amot nom ke panyon community ten widemi akane den konen tinti gwai kam na ken ka kwi hawk shikuma South Sudan che de ni SSPDF chaga jagan winimi ko ba kormo ba jo kapchong gwasan chiriya ka mo cha tuok tin re ho ngai kona korong wan rudien dial tuok ko ok no mi kon gi kone la wi ka kurka ke jen bangon wi ka kurka rudien dial ke nyen ho en community na me wa dungok ter kana mone jenda na kan ram keltin kene baro cha mu ka bot ke wade kan ka bot dit kene to pan kene amu ka bot awangot kan 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 nang dul wal ta dul wal mi cha nang tin ko ngai kono no ne dial chuike ne me tuok wi jane no tuok wo jana jen gwa dana tuok rek motin be je kwen ya ka tuok english ke do brana ci kana non ka je gwa same be aja kula ling ka raj dana cha kwen one person was killed and more than 7 others including 2 girls were injured in clash at the Lueng cattle camp in Rubek Center County, Lake State on Friday, authorities confirmed. The authorities said that the clash involved faction of the Gony, Amotnom, and Panyon community. A Rumbek police officer, John Mamerial, said that on Saturday that the attack occurred early in the morning. He identified the deceased as Malwak Makur Marial and added that 7 others were wounded from both sides. Tension remained high in the area. The government force, including the South Sudan People Defense Force and the police, have been sent to the scene to investigate the ongoing communal fighting between army civilians at the Marial Bake grazing wetland in the Luenkatal camp. Real father explained that the wounded are still at the cattle camp due to the lack of road access to Rumbek State Hospital for treatment. All the wounded are still at the cattle camp, where most of them are nursing gunshot wounds. He said the area is flooded, muddy, and surrounded by thick grass, which make it impossible for vehicle to pass. A youth leader in Rumbek, Mark John Con, stated that the situation at the Touch wetland had returned to normal by Saturday following the arrival of organized force. He urged the government to apprehend the attackers from both sides who triggered the communal conflict. It has been 3 years since fighting between our youth and cattle camp stopped, Con said. It is very unfortunate that some criminal elements who do not want stability have again caused an incident that threatened the security of Lake State. We call on the government to take a strong action by apprehending these criminals for investigation. Attempts to reach the Lake State Information and Communication Minister for comment were unsuccessful as he did not respond to phone call. Jimishalingo nyenye jang winimi tala gwama gware which ka South Sudan. Mi kon gui kon South Sudan pon jan pon ken nyenye ga rodien jimishalingo mele yen lere to ngalen kalin gwas me dien ngaje no rit ka gwas dien. Tele community me wo gware which ka South Sudan ngai kon tel mat ka ki tel mari kam nat. La meti community di almeti ken kamalan tama chinar den nak ka kwiwok tarik to wande tuok chwa gwi ni jen won wer ko ri ndong kan tel mado mani jang ba tel kamat nyu da gwa no kum so Sudan jang kan wer kan de konte rock kum so Sudan gor jen obiga gwich ka kwigo ki ka tashi ngaden bigan kule tay ne ko ken la ala ne den kono kwi ken dorin kwi ni ken bigan kullon ka murwa ken ka duno mo kan wote ka kor kam ken biga tungna rodien centam jang kan nyin ka rodien wer nyin ka rodien all this kan dial tu kan rodien jenda na gode nyoga yekel ko gono bi nyoga nasin ko ken bi ataka mal bye bye